Send the picture lang. May logo ng kami. Hello everyone.
Nawa, dada ang whale. So, hi. Laag before exam.
Oh! Hello mga guys. Layo!
What's up, madlang? Karag sa sutay ba? Eh!
Got the phone in her back. Hi guys. Welcome to my guys. Ay. Ayun, Barangay guys. We're watching here. Biyahe mi mga 1, abot diri undo. Abot na diri 4. Shit.
With our vloggery.
Hey.
Priority numbers W51, W52,
W51.
W53, W54, W55. Please proceed to line check areas for boarding.
Sorry kayo, kuya.
We're at Oslo guys. We're going to watch whales here. Go. So mag-seminar pa tayo sila guys. Wala. Nag-video pa, nag-read.
Ma, likod ma. Dapat sa likod.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Tanawa Museum Cebu. Let me give you a short orientation regarding the rules and regulations that you need to follow during your whale shark interaction. We implement these rules for your own safety and for the protection of the whale sharks as well. First and the most important rule is you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks because they are considered as wild creatures, so they may react violently or may swim away, leading to a shorter interaction. Second is no flash photography, since whale sharks are sensitive to light. Wearing of life vest is mandatory from the shoreline up to the interaction area. And if you are good in swimming, you can take off your life vest and keep it on the boat. And in swimming, please observe a 4-meter distance away from the whale sharks and 5 meters away if you're going to use flippers or swimming fins. That is from the mouth down to its tail. And if you can see that the whale shark is getting closer to you, please don't panic. Just give way and let it pass. They are harmless, and please don't chase them. And for those who swim, you are not allowed to apply hair conditioner, sunblock lotion, sunscreen, or any skin protection or oil, because these products contain chemicals that can harm the whale sharks. But if you have applied it already, Kindly rinse it off downstairs at the shower area before boarding the boat. Please obey all the rules to avoid penalties. There are sea wardens monitoring the whole operation. And additional reminders for those who are wearing jewelries or any fashion accessories, kindly remove them for these may fall accidentally into the water and we are not liable for that. And for those who want to take pictures underwater, mobile phones are not recommendable to use. And lastly, swimming goggles are provided on the boat upon boarding. Always remember, you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks. And please don't leave your things unattended. That's all. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you all enjoy. You may now proceed downstairs at the waiting area. And please wait for your priority numbers for boarding to the boat.
We're boarding today. We're watching We're going to the waiting area now. Dito bus. Let's go to the waiting area. Asang waiting area? Okay, thank you. So, here's the waiting area. And as you can see, there's so many.
Priority numbers B16,
Oh my God.
B17, B18, B19, B20. Please proceed to life jacket area for boarding.
Number 2.
Na may nikuha niya ko.
Oh my God, si Kano. Ubog na si Kano. Ubog na ang Kano. Kuhan ko na siya.
Sugat niya sa atin.
Si Ating. Gado pa may tulog. Gapon ra. Sana worth it.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tanawan of Cebu. I'll be giving you a short presentation regarding with the rules and the regulation that you need to follow during the wall shark interaction. We are implementing these rules
Ay,
for
kano
your
to, guys,
safety and the
Hello,
protection
ito guys,
of
as
wall sharks.
na naka-black. Oh
First
shit.
and most important rule is you're not allowed to touch the wall sharks. Second, no flash photography. Tardy swimming, please observe 4 meters distance away from the wall sharks. And if the wall sharks are getting closer to you, please don't panic. Just give them away and let them pass. They are harmless and please don't chase them. And lastly, you're not allowed to apply sunblock, sunscreen, or any kind of skin protection because these products contain chemicals that can harm the whale shark. But if you
We're almost there na guys.
Sa camera. Bradley. Mira.
Sheesh. Oy.
Sa kamay. Nakuha na. Dili pa ako. Camera dahil. Ow. Wow. Hello, family. Ato si Papa Lu. Maslide to. Hi, Fatherland.
What's up? Hey,
Where are you now?
I'm here at the Butanding's place.
Yeah, and the Butanding is here. Slay. Hello to my family over there.
I will
Over there, my family.
I will swim together with the Butanding.
Punta di ko madag gidada. Ato na nila ate oh. Ami bing. Bakit dili no? Look at all these people.
Pwede naman pero kinahanglan din mo. Wait, medyo yun ang butandi.
Mag-video dong. Pag 0.5 mo, ikay ko katabi. Happy na ako sa GoPro. Oh, ay, okay. Oh, dra. Oh, dali, mag-video ta. Sige, mag-video na ba na? 0.5 guys. 0.5 dito ba pa? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, the sunrise. I will catch one butanding ah. Eh. Oh my god, the water is so clear guys oh. It's crystal clear. Let's go! We're going to the whale sharks na guys. One, two, three.
One, two, three.
Uy, ay, ala. Upot, mother bells. Ay, si mama, nandiyan. Dili ka? Okay. Char. The Prince Charming is saving the princess. Play. Oh! Ni Sam siya. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Go. Mo Sam siya pa. Mauna ko life jacket eh ha. Sure ka? Ajiken! Ajiken! Say hi.
Ginipis na, ginipis na.
Mag-video daw.
Yay! na.
Pag 0.5 low, ikay ko pa tubi.
Tulog, display ba?
Happy na ako sa GoPro.
Karaw silang, karaw silang.
Kita ko silong, please. Ha? Silong ako na sigaran ako. Ay, diso din. Ang butante na ako sigaran.
O, dilin ha. Pagpuan, dilin. Kakamaw mo lang, oy. Paghawi, dilin, oh. Ako ba, dilin? Ala, Chito. Dili, Chito. Chito, dili. Chito.
Japanese, buguru. Buguru.
Buguro. Buguro. Oy, ra malaya. Buguro.
Very good.
Di ang butanding.
Pakong ka pa. Mama, say hi to the camera. Hi.